Here we will see regular expression in Python. Regular expression, also known as regex or regexp, is a string searching algorithm which you can use for making search pattern in a sequence of characters or strings. Usually these patterns are used to find or find and replace operations. It can detect the presence or absence of a text by matching it with particular pattern and also can split a pattern into one or more sub-patterns. Regex is a powerful tool for identifying, matching and replacing substrings within longer text. Regular expression use meta characters, special sequence and qualifiers to match word characters, alphanumeric characters or a single character. Regular expressions are mainly used for input validation, which ensures user data like email addresses, phone numbers or passwords follow a specific format before processing. Then data extraction, identifying and pulling specific information such as URL, dates or prices from large blocks of unstructured text or log files. Then search and replace. It is used to find all instances of a pattern and then replace them with a new string, which is useful for reformatting dates, cleaning data or masking sensitive information. Then text parsing and tokenizing. It is possible to break down complex strings into manageable pieces based on multiple delimiters. This is common in natural language processing to isolate individual words or tokens. Web scraping. It automatically identifies and collects specific data patterns from HTML content such as product names or stock prices. Then log analysis. It is used for parsing system or server logs to extract error codes, timestamps and user activity for troubleshooting. And reformatting data. Changing the layout of the text such as converting dates from DDMMYY to MMDDYY or standardizing inconsistent address formats. Features of regular expressions are: it gives declarative way to describe patterns. It uses compact and powerful syntax. It works on strings and text data. It supports pattern extraction and replacement. And it gives language independent concept. That is, it is used in many languages. And application of regular expressions are email validation, phone number validation, password rules enforcement, log life analysis, data scraping and input validation in forms. Python has a built-in module named RE that is used for regular expression. We can import this module by using import statement. For example, import RE. Regular expression in Python work with different ways. First, regular expression functions. These are the functions that are provided by built-in RE module, which allows user for advanced searching, matching and text manipulation based on specific pattern. Then meta characters. These are special symbols that do not match themselves but they have unique meaning interpreted by the RE module. They serve as the building blocks of patterns which allow for flexible searching, text manipulation and complex pattern definition. Then special sequence character. These are shorthand patterns that begin with backslash and followed by a specific character. Unlike meta characters like star or plus, these sequences are typically represent predefined sets of characters or specific positions within a string. And sets, which are also known as character classes. These are defined using square brackets and allow user to match any one character from a specific group of characters.